we're going to be starting with these bolts. 4, 2 up here. Okay, so now that I removed the 4 screws, now you have direct access to the switch. You got a screw here, screw up top. Let's get those removed now. I'll be back. Now that you have those screws out, you just want to come right up, unplug it. Got the replacement right there. Got them swapped out. Putting this one in, I got the first one in. Now you do the top and just work everything in reverse. Put the 2 screws up there, 4 down below, and you're done. I'll be back with a tester. So get started now. So it's gonna be a little loud. This is the test.